Hello, welcome to Be Nice and Collect, and we have here Makima. She's one of my favorite characters in Chainsaw Man. I'm a bit late in reviewing this Nendoroid, but nonetheless, she's here and let's open this box. So this is what's inside the box. The parts are quite few, to be honest. So we have the pamphlet. Next we have her base. We also have her stand. An extra neck connector. She comes with different extra parts. With her faceplate, she comes with 2 extra faceplate. Moving to the main Nendoroid, let's start with her head. So the painting is very clean, as you can see. There have been articulations to it. And this one is removable. You can interchange its faceplate by removing her hair. Now moving to the body, let me give you some 360 look of it first. So with this body, there are some articulations that you could do or interchange these parts with other extra parts. For her legs, these are typical Nendoroid legs wherein you can move around. Now let me give you a sample on how to change its parts. So that's a sample, but you can always explore other parts. If you plan to custom her to an Nendoroid doll, I would suggest Cream, but you may also look at this photo to have a comparison with other Nendoroid doll bodies. For YMY bodies, she is better with Sakura Pink. For pose options, let's start with this simple pose. Another pose that you could try. Here we have Makima with Denji and Power. Here's a cute custom Nendoroid doll of Makima. So basically that's it guys. Thanks for watching this video. Shout out to Toy Unboxing family, friends and viewers. See you in my next video. Keep safe everyone. Bye bye.